Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use maximum RAM in Windows. Utilizing all your installed memory is crucial for smooth multitasking and running demanding applications. We'll go over simple yet effective methods to ensure your system isn't leaving any valuable RAM unused, helping you achieve a more responsive and efficient computing experience. Let's dive in and unlock your PC's full potential. First, let's verify your current RAM setup. Open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab, and click on Memory to see how much RAM is installed and being used. It's vital to ensure you're running a 64-bit version of Windows, as 32-bit systems can only address about 4 GB of memory. Also, check system information to confirm your operating system recognizes all the physical RAM you have. Next, we'll adjust a crucial system setting. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog, then type msconfig and hit Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab and click Advanced Options. Here, you'll find a maximum memory checkbox. Make sure this box is unchecked. This setting, when checked, can sometimes limit the RAM Windows uses, so unchecking it allows your system to automatically utilize all installed memory. Finally, let's discuss ongoing optimization. Always close applications and browser tabs you're not actively using. They consume valuable RAM. Keeping your Windows operating system and device drivers updated is also essential, as updates often include memory management improvements. If you frequently find your system struggling with high memory usage, even after these steps, it might be time to consider upgrading your physical RAM for a significant performance boost.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.